Have you ever wondered who the next Bill Gates will be? Well, according to 28-year-old billionaire Alexandr Wang, they could be a teenager coding in their bedroom right now, and AI is the key. Alexandr Wang, the co-founder and CEO of Scale AI, is already worth a staggering $3.2 billion. In a recent podcast, he dropped a bombshell prediction. The next generation of tech billionaires is being created as we speak, and it's all thanks to AI. One talks about something called vibe coding. Imagine building an entire application just by typing instructions in plain English. No complex programming knowledge is needed. Tools like Replit and Cursor are already making this a reality. This isn't just an update. One calls it an unprecedented turning point in software development. He says we're living through a moment of incredible disruption. He believes that anyone who spends 10,000 hours mastering these new AI coding tools will gain an almost unfair advantage. He compares it directly to a young Bill Gates, who famously spent his teenage years sneaking out to use a mainframe computer. That access and dedication changed his life and, eventually, the entire world. Wang's message to young people is direct and powerful. That moment is happening. Again, if you're 13 years old, you should spend every waking hour coding with AI. That's how you should live your life. It's a bold statement, but it highlights the massive opportunity he sees for the next generation to build a future. Think about that for a second. The dedication that made Bill Gates a legend is now possible for anyone with a computer and an internet connection. The playing field is being leveled, and the winners will be those who dive in head first and master these new AI-powered tools. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Wang, a top mind in AI and recently appointed as Meta's head of artificial intelligence, made another stunning admission. He said, "All the code I've ever written, an AI model will be able to produce it within the next 5 years." Let that sink in. One of the leading figures in the industry believes that everything he has ever built with code will soon be replicable by an AI. This shows just how rapidly AI is advancing and raises a huge question. If AI can write code, is learning to program even worth it anymore? Well, according to Wang and other tech pioneers, the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, they argue it's more important than ever. The key is to learn how to code asterisk with asterisk AI. Andrew Ng, the co-founder of Google Brain, put it perfectly. He said, as programming becomes easier, more people should learn to program, not fewer. Why? Because the most valuable skill of the future will be knowing how to tell a computer exactly what you want it to do. Think of it like this. AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it still needs a skilled operator. Someone with a strong foundation in programming will be far better at guiding AI to build complex, innovative solutions. They can direct the AI with precision, troubleshoot problems, and see opportunities that a non-coder might miss. Ng calls this the best time ever to learn programming. He believes that entrepreneurs who understand code will have a massive advantage, as they can translate their vision directly into a product using AI. They won't be limited by trying to explain their ideas to someone else. They can build it themselves, amplified by the power of artificial intelligence. So, the future isn't about replacing programmers with AI. It's about creating a new breed of super programmers who can achieve things we've only dreamed of. The combination of human creativity and AI's raw processing power is the real revolution. What does this mean for you? Whether you're a student, a professional looking to switch careers, or just curious about the future, the message is clear. Don't be afraid of AI, embrace it. Start learning how these tools work. The opportunity to build, create, and innovate on a scale never seen before is right at your fingertips. The next Bill Gates might not just use computers. They'll be the ones telling AI is how to build the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into the future of tech and AI as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We love to have you as part of our community. See you in the next one.